Bonjour, this is Marianne Lecoeur, and today I wanted to show you how to create an outfit on the go. So first of all, what is an outfit on the go? It is an outfit that when you are in a hurry, you can just pick it up and it's ready for you to put it on. So how you can create those outfits. So I mentioned how to create those outfits on the go. This is what I call them. I mentioned this, how to create an outfit on the go, in my book, The Tidy Closet. So I'm going to show you now how to do that. So let's say you work in an office for 5 days of the week, and you find that in the morning you are strapped for time. You know, we are all in a hurry in the morning, we rush around, and if you spend too much time trying to create the outfit, you may be late, or the opposite, you just do it so quickly that is not really a right outfit for you, and it happens. So the thing to do, what you want to do maybe, is, let's say at the weekend, on a Saturday or Sunday, you prepare all these outfits for the week. It's a bit like meal prepping. I don't know if you're into this. So many people actually prepare all their meals for the week, so that as they work, in the morning, they're in a hurry, they don't have to think about what they're going to eat, or they don't have to eat outside every day of that week because it will be too expensive, or they won't feel tempted to buy some ready-made food that is not healthy or that is too fattening for them, that kind of thing. So outfit to go really works on the same principle. You prepare all the outfits so you know exactly what you're going to wear. It will save you time. So first of all, let's say you're on Sunday and you want to create an outfit. So you have to start from somewhere. What is the kind of clothes that you wear usually in your office? Okay, so let's think it's smart clothing. So okay, what are the clothes you usually wear for to go with that office code? So I take one. So let's start with something. So the base would be a dress. So this is a dress I'm going to wear. So you make decision. Okay, this is a dress I'm going to wear. Let's say Monday. So this outfit will be Monday's outfit to go. So you put it on a hanger. Okay. Now, what else are you going to need? So you have this dress. So you have to think about your underwear. So okay, you're going to wear your underwear, a bra, a pair of knickers, and you can put them here as well. Hang them there. Everything ready. Okay. Next, you're going to think, okay, I need a pair of tights because it's autumn or winter. So you pick up a pair of black tights here. So I haven't got a pocket for it, so you can just open, your tights like this, and maybe put them around like this. You can put it here as well. So it's there. Wherever you put it has to be on a hanger so that, the next morning it's easy. That is done. You can as well, okay, the jewelry. So if this is a necklace you usually wear, put it, close your necklace like so. And again, you can put it over the hanger. So when you come to wear your outfit, you have already all these pieces. For instance, you want to wear a bracelet, or you want to, have a few rings or earrings. You could, put that maybe all around the hanger, but maybe it's too delicate for that, especially earrings and rings. You can put them in the little bag, like that jewelry bag, and hang it again on the hanger. Look at that, ready for you. Okay, that's done. Next, a jacket. So I have a jacket that I usually wear with that dress. This is a jacket. So either put it on the side, so you have those two together, or you can even, remove it from its hanger. Oh, pardon me. And put it like so. So now you can see already my outfit is almost ready to go. And ready to go, it's, it's ready to wear. So ready to wear is prêt-à-porter in French. So if you're not quite sure what prêt-à-porter means, it means ready to wear. Outfit to go is ready to wear, prêt-à-porter. Your dress, your tights, so have a look at the bra and your pair of knickers you want to wear with it. Hang everything there. Necklace, your jewelry, other pieces of jewelry. You can even put your necklace in there if you want, if it's something really fine and delicate. Your earrings, your ring, bracelet. Okay. You can also add a scarf around it if you're going to wear a scarf. You have everything there. I have a scarf here you could wear with it. So again, I would put everything on the hanger. This is your outfit here, right here. Okay. The shoes to wear with it. Put them. Of course, you can't hang that on a hanger. The shoes always, on the floor. So you would put them, place them under your hanger. And look at this. In the morning, after you finished in the bathroom, you can put everything on. Everything is here for you. You just pick it up and put it on. Imagine how much time you will save in the morning. So if you like to do this, Monday, and then you create on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, everything there, including the shoes. Of course, the shoes, you may wear always the same pair every day, or maybe 2 different pairs during the week. Put them underneath. And your coat, if you need to wear a coat, in the winter, you can either put it on the side or maybe close to the your main front door. Some people, keep their coats by the front door. So, you have, also you could even add your belt with that over the jacket, over the dress. And again, look at this. Everything is there for you. So I hope you enjoyed this tip, creating the outfit to go ready to wear. So it was Marianne Lecoeur of How to Be Chic and Elegant. And, please subscribe to this channel. That would be very nice. Thank you very much. And, keep watching the videos. Please, write in the comments if there are some videos you would like to see from me. And thank you very much for watching. À bientôt.